At the start of each layer, material is homogeneously transferred from a lamination roller to the underside of a transparent carrier film, then conveyed to the build volume. During the process, the material doesn't drip from the film because of its high viscosity. Next, the build platform rises to the exact layer height to position the model being built in contact with the freshly laminated material. The UV light engine then projects through a dynamic mask, selectively curing the material to match the part's cross-section. This forms the new layer which chemically bonds to the object being built. Lastly, the build platform retreats, peeling the recently cured layer from the film, while the unused material is recovered to be reused. This process is repeated, layer by layer, until the build is complete. VLM enables the production of dual material parts by laminating different materials from both sides of the transfer film. Both materials can be combined within the same layer by using a cleaning system that prevents cross-contamination. With dual material, VLM offers an alternative to overmolding. Since 2K molds are typically 5 to 10 times more expensive than standard ones, the minimum run volume to achieve a competitive cost per part is generally above 100,000 units. Below that threshold, customers will finally have a solution for manufacturing 2K parts at a competitive cost. Alternatively, choose to utilize a dedicated breakaway support material to improve surface finishing by leaving a clean interface between the part and support, while drastically reducing labor time in post-processing.